So today I'm trying Victoria's Secret Pink Lip Scrub. So I'm rubbing this on my lips as fast as I can, not too hard because I don't want to cause my lips to bleed, but it feels like smooth and it feels like salt or sand, just crystals of it. So basically it just feels kind of rough, but it's not that rough. It's just smooth. I approve of the smoothness of the aftermath of exfoliating my lips with the sugar scrub, and now I'm using the High Gloss by Victoria's Secret Pink Lip Conditioning Oil on my lips to, keep them moisturized and smooth. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Love you guys. Bye.